Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox a recent purchase that I made over Black Friday, and that was for the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. So let me just give you a little bit of background on why I even bought the camera. I already have the Sony A5000. That is actually what I'm recording my video right now on. It's cool and everything, but I kind of wanted something more professional looking. I wanted to actually learn photography, and I want better quality videos for YouTube. And so one of the things that shows that you want to make better quality videos, and one of the things that allows you to make better quality videos, is to get DSLR professional grade camera. And so over Black Friday I purchased mine. It was rather expensive, but it was a personal Christmas gift, early Christmas gift to myself, and so I am completely excited. It's been a few weeks since I purchased the camera, and I have waited to unbox it today on this video to show all of you. So stay tuned if you want to see how the camera looks and all that stuff. So here is the bag of goodies that I have. So I have my camera and some other stuff that I will explain later in this bag. I bought my camera from B&H Photos. I'll put the name on the bottom of the screen, but also in the description box. It's B&H Photos. It's located on 34th Street and something Avenue. I honestly can't remember off the top of my head, but it's in Manhattan. It's a big, famous camera, electronics. I mean, they have everything that you could want if you're into audio visual equipment. They have it there. It's a Jewish company, I believe, and so a lot of the workers are Jews, and completely fun place to shop. I purchased a camera for my dad for his birthday last year. That was the Nikon D3400, and I went back there to purchase my own, which is the Canon Rebel T7i, and that is what I'm showcasing today. This is the box that contains my camera. There's a couple ways that you could buy the camera. I chose to buy it through their video creator kit. Basically, they have a pre-made box that contains stuff for video creators, typically as YouTube creators or film creators or anything like that. So I decided to get that deal. There was, however, an option to purchase the camera in a kit, and the kit included the body, so the actual camera body, the lens, I think it was 18 to 35 millimeter, and then also the strap that holds the camera and a bag. Now this particular creator box, video creator box specifically, it contains the camera body, the lens, and the wide strap, and also a microphone. This creator box is intended for video creators, hence why they have a microphone included to improve audio quality when you're making videos. I also forgot to mention this box, as well as the camera body lens kit that you can purchase the camera with. Those both contain SD cards. I think it's 32 gigabytes. So either way, you would have gotten the body, camera, the lens, the strap, and a memory card if you bought the other option kit or the video creator kit. The main difference is that the video creator kit has a Rode mic. It retails for, I think it was $62 they said at the store, and then the other kit just has the bag. So you're deciding between the bag and the mic. Because the bag is cheaper than the mic, I decided to get the mic instead. This is the box. Dual pixel autofocus. It says flip screen and sound quality. It's advertising all the little goodies that are in the box. Well, from the camera, I'll just zoom in here. Let me see if my camera will focus on that. It says on the box that it contains the EOS Rebel T7i body, the EFS 18 to 55 millimeter lens. It contains a battery pack, a battery charger, the wide strap for the camera, and then the iCup EF not shown. I'm not sure what that is. And then the Rode mic, which I told you is the mic that you plug into the camera for better audio quality. And then the 32 gigabyte memory card. So let's open it. So it comes open like this. I don't know, I was struggling because there's only one piece of tape to cut off. But it comes well protected. As you can see, there's wood inside here, cardboard. I'm just gonna lift this up if I can. Okay, so they all come out together. As you can see, the camera and some other stuff are in this box together. Let me just open up the box now. They well protected this camera, I have to say. I'm impressed because this is an expensive purchase. Oh, I forgot to mention the price. So this creator kit retailed for $999. But on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the sale was for $200 off. So I got it for $799, not including tax. And then the other option to buy the camera body kit that retailed for $750. So $50 less without the mic, essentially. Okay, this is the camera box. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited for this? Okay, so here's a camera box. It says the name of the camera, which is the EOS Rebel T7i. Like I said, Canon is the brand. This is my first DSLR camera purchase. My Sony camera that I mentioned earlier is actually a mirrorless camera, so it doesn't have like a viewfinder. Is that what you call it? It doesn't have the eye. You can't take pictures through the eye of the camera. So, okay. Here's what it looks like inside. The camera box is, again, just the camera in here. Hell padded. I love when things are packaged well because that means that you know it's new and that it will be protected. So, guys, look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Don't mind my nails, they need to be redone. But look at it. Oh my gosh. Again, this is my first time looking at it. Looking at my particular one. I had watched reviews on YouTube before I purchased it, and in the store, B&H Photos, they allow you to interact with the cameras that are on display. So I definitely interacted with it before I purchased this exact model. But this is sexy, and it's weird. So it's not a shiny black, it is like a matte black almost. Like it's like a dusty black, if I could say. And I actually like this because it looks real. Like, you know when certain things look plastic, like my Sony camera, it's shiny. It doesn't look plastic, but it's like shiny. It's like polished black. This is like dusty. This is like matte. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So, and let me just show you the flip out screen. Look, sexiness. And it actually swivels, so it can turn completely around. That means when you're vlogging, if you want to use this camera to vlog, I'm being real gentle, as you can see, you can see yourself. That is crazy nice. Like, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Okay, so in the box, I pulled out something else. This is the battery pack. I don't want to lose nothing, so I'm just putting it on the bed near me. This is the battery pack. This is where you charge the camera battery. If you didn't know, when you're using DSLR cameras, the battery you take out and then charge it by itself. You don't charge the camera itself. You don't charge this part. Okay. This is the lens, again, in this bubble wrap, twice. It's wrapped twice, guys. Come on, come on. Canon, I hear you. I see this, I see it. Canon, I see you. Okay. This is the lens. This is it. Okay, my Sony camera is not trying to focus. There you go, it's a sweet spot right here. the lens of the camera. Wow. 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 So this is the lens of the camera, 18 to 35 millimeter. That's the distance, the length. It has a stabilizer option on the side. This is my first DSLR camera, so I don't know the exact functions of everything that is on here, but this is the lens. It comes with the lens cap. Well, this is the lens cap protecting the lens itself, but this is the back cap that protects the inside of the lens. And you would unscrew this and then put this on this, like that. But I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm gonna just unbox everything and then put it all together. It comes also with the book. This is a thick book. You see this? It's thick. So it tells you everything you need to know about the camera, which I will be reading because I want to get better at photography. I want to know how to use my camera. So I will be reading the instruction manual. Canon also provides a instructional video, like downloadable, or an app or something like that, or actually it might be a website where you can watch videos that teaches you how to use your camera, how to get better at photography. And of course there are thousands of videos on YouTube that you can watch that can tell you how to use your camera and how to get better at photography. So that's nice that it comes with this purchase. I don't know if it's standard for every camera purchase, but definitely at B&H Photos it does. So that's the camera box. Sorry, it's not all that's in the camera box. You have the battery for the camera, pre-packaged in its own package. I love it. Wow, look at that, look at that, look at that battery. So that's the battery that again goes and is charged in the battery pack. You take this part off, of course. And then here is the wide strap that I told you that you would put on the sides of the camera, like right here and right here. And that's how you hold the camera if you want to put it on your neck or something like that. Let me just show you how that works because I am not going to drop my camera for sure. So I will definitely be putting that strap on and holding my camera up that way. So here's the strap. So again, what came in the camera box? This camera box was the camera body, the lens, the strap, the battery charger, the battery pack, and instruction manual and downloadable DVD. Not DVD. Who watches DVDs? Downloadable something class. Something class. And I'm just checking to make sure. Yeah, it's empty. Ain't nothing else in this box. Cool, Canon. Okay. So the next thing I'll show you is the memory card. If I can get it out, it's kind of stuck between the mic. Okay, this is the SD card, the memory card, what you would insert in your camera in order to take pictures. It stores your pictures, videos on this. 32 gigabytes should be okay. I actually just recently purchased a 64 gigabyte memory card for my Sony camera because I'm going to use that, or have used that, for some of my vlogging, and videos take up a lot of memory, so I wanted to get a 64 gig for vlogs. Buying that 64 gig cost me $40, and I believe the 32 was like $35, which, I mean, pay the extra $5 if you want to get more storage. So that's nice that it came with one free because they're about $40 just by itself. This next thing is the mic. I told you guys that this video creator kit, I think that's what you call it, comes with the mic. That's the main addition to this kit versus getting the other original regular camera kit. And so this mic is a Rode mic. You've probably seen it already. YouTubers use it in their vlogs to get better audio pickup. You can see a picture of how it would look on your Canon EOS Rebel T7i. I will keep the remote in the box for now just because I'm not gonna use it now, so I'll just keep that in the box. And then last but not least, I told you that my video creator kit did not come with a bag. The regular kit did, and I kind of was sad about that because I kind of wanted a bag, even though I may not use it. That makes sense. Like, I may just carry the camera some other way. But the people at B&H Photos, they were super nice. And they gave me a bag for free. So that's so sweet of them. I bought a lot of things. I put warranty on the camera for 4 years, and I bought another camera battery for my dad's camera. So I spent like $1,000 on everything. So I was like, can you just give me the bag for free, please? Because I really want a bag. And they did. So that's nice. So they definitely are nice over there at the store. I definitely would purchase things again from them. And you guys should check it out if you're in the New York City area. I mean, people who shop at their store come from all over the world. I hear different languages being spoken there all the time, so it's definitely internationally famous, I'd say. Okay, so here's a camera bag that they gave me at the store for free. It retails for $30, they said, by itself, but I got it for free. Yay! The only thing that I can say about this bag that I don't personally like is that it has like this yellow gold little detail that I don't find too cute. And it's on a Canon bag. So when I bought my dad's Nikon kit, I bought it from the same store, and he has a Nikon bag. Like, that's what came with it. And if you bought the regular camera kit, it would have came with the Canon bag. So I'm kind of bummed that this is not a Canon bag, but a bag is a bag. And this is actually more compact than my dad's camera bag, so I'm just gonna be grateful. And it also has these little rib details to keep it like upright if you want to stand it down on the floor or something. So rugged Journey 24 shoulder bag is what it is. And it comes with a instruction manual if you want help opening the bag, I guess. Okay, so there you have it. That's everything I got in the video creator kit. Here again is my camera. I'm going to set it up right now and come back and show you guys how it looks all set up. So here's the camera now that I assembled it. It has on the lens, it has, that's it. I just put on the lens, oh, and the strap. It has on the lens and the strap. The camera battery is not in here, it's charging now, so I can't show you how it looks turned on as yet, but I will definitely film that portion and include it at the end of this video at a later time. Also, I will include pictures of the camera quality once I take some later as well. So this is just the final look at the Canon Rebel T7i. So far, I am beyond impressed with the quality. I'm beyond impressed with the feel. It is not heavy at all. I'm excited. So here's just a video of me using the Canon EOS Rebel T7i. This is real footage. I'm taking this video like days, weeks after I made the unboxing video, but here you can sort of see the quality difference. Can you tell? I'm not sure, but I am taking it at a similar time of day that I recorded the unboxing video, as well as with the similar weather. It's gloomy today, and it was gloomy when I made the unboxing video. So hopefully that kind of shows you the quality difference, if at all. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. If you liked it, please like. If you want to see more videos by me, comment down below anything about the camera, any questions that you may have. I am most likely gonna record a new video reviewing the camera, and I will definitely start recording videos on the camera, so you'll definitely get a sense of how it looks. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.